So you might be in this very annoying process, or for some reason, your video just keeps on getting stuck on preparing on your particular iPhone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one reason why this ends up happening to me each and every time is usually because the video that I'm using. So sometimes it's just like a random video that I have that I've had before. Sometimes it's literally just a random video that is just so big and so hard to decode on your particular iPhone that it just takes a little bit of time. So if it's like a cinematic video, if it's like a pro raw video, if it's anything like that, it may just naturally end up taking a long time and you may just be stuck on this preparing panel for just a period of time. It could be like a couple seconds, all the way up to a couple minutes, maybe even longer than that. If it's a very long video, there's not too much you can do. It's pretty much you're just gonna have to wait until it ends up fixing itself and ends up, going past preparing, and that's really all you're going to have to do. Now, for some reason you don't do that, or for, let's say it just keeps on failing and doesn't end up, get past preparing. One thing you can try doing, which actually ended up working for me, is to restart your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, slide to power that thing off, give it a few moments, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up working. For some people, including myself, that ended up working for me, and that's probably all you're going to have to do here. So try that out, see if that ends up working, and like I said, for a lot of people, that may end up fixing it for you. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing is to literally just go through and you want to see if there's an update available for your iPhone. So make your way over into your Instagram application, just like this. You want to scroll down into General, you want to scroll into Software Update, and you want to go and see if there's an update available for your iPhone. And if there is, that's another thing you can try doing as well, which may end up fixing for you. If that still doesn't work, you may want to try actually exporting that video out somehow. So you may try, to go through and just either share that video out to another app that may end up allowing you to export, or plug in an accessory like a hard drive into your iPhone and just basically drag and drop that video into that hard drive. And at least you can get it off your phone from that point. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.